Illum oportet crescere, illum oportet crescere. In Enon near to Salim, where much water flowed, we tarried in the shadows while the light began to glow. They came unto John, saying, Rabbi, look to him, he that was with thee beyond Jordan. Now his light no longer dim.
Behold, he baptizeth, and all men flee to his side.
But John answered and said, with no envy to hide, a man can receive nothing in earth or sky or sea, unless it be given him from heaven by the Father's own decree.
Ye yourselves bear me witness that I said I am not the Christ, I am but a voice crying.
Before the sacrifice I am sent before him, to make the crooked straight. My joy is now fulfilled upon this holy date. Hexanus Dei. He that hath the bride is the bridegroom true and fair, but the friend of the bridegroom who standeth waiting there, he heareth him and rejoiceth because of the bridegroom's voice. In this my heart is glad, in this I do rejoice. Therefore this my joy is now made full and sweet, to see the Master rising and bow down at his feet. The shadow must give way when the sun begins to rise. The servant lowers his head beneath the morning skies. He must increase, but I must decrease. He must increase, but I